All right, in today's video, we're going to talk about Limitless, which is a new prediction market on the base L2. And it's a solid opportunity right now to earn some money via a few different avenues. Now, the TLDR on Limitless is that it's very similar to Polymarket and other prediction markets. It's a competitor to them. They have over 300 million in volume traded on the platform, and they have raised $7 million so far. And all of that volume is just within the last couple of months. And as you can see from their main screen here, you can bet with these different prediction markets on. Currently, it's mainly financial stuff, although I'm sure over time there will be more and more options. Now, the reason why I think this is a solid opportunity right now is because they have a points campaign on, which means that they are going to drop a token and people will be rewarded for being early users of the platform. Aside from that, they also have a trading challenge that just launched, and this means that you can get points boosts for their airdrop campaign and also potentially earn a share of the $10,000 cash prize. And then finally, of course, you can also potentially earn money or lose money by actually making these different predictions, and that is up to you. But I do think that this is a solid opportunity because A, it's relatively new, B, it's not really over-farmed at this point, and also it's on base, which is one of the best L2s in terms of TVL and volume. So overall, I would say if you're into prediction markets and you're looking for something new to farm, this could be a solid opportunity. You just have to make sure that you're careful not to burn money by making bad predictions. And there's different strategies that you can use depending on how risky you want to be with this. But we'll talk about that in a second. Let's just briefly talk about how you can get started. To get started trading on the platform, all you need is a little bit of Ethereum on base to pay for transaction fees and some USDC in that base wallet. So you actually don't even need to deposit funds to this platform in order to use it, which I do find to be solid. You can actually just maintain custody of your USDC in your wallet on base. And then whenever you make a transaction on the platform, you just have to sign a transaction with your wallet. Otherwise, you can actually deposit directly to the platform if you prefer to do that. It's not something that I personally am doing. Now, the way that it works is once you sign up, you have to do 3 simple steps in order to start earning points. You have to create an account, then you have to place 1 bet on any market, doesn't matter what it is, and then finally, you have to have at least 1 bet resolve. So the market resolves yes or no, and you either get to cash out your winnings or you lose a little bit of money. Now, the fastest way that you can go through those steps to start earning points is to just click on the markets tab up here and then click on this button that says ending soon. And this will show you which markets are resolving soon, so you don't have to wait as long to start earning points. And actually, you can also click on this button here and check out any hourly markets that they have. So every hour there's going to be a new option for you here. And basically it's just predicting whether the price of a specific cryptocurrency is going to be above or below a certain mark at the end of the hour. But if you want to get those 3 steps done quickly, I recommend checking out these hourly markets here or in the ending soon tab. It's possible that one of these other ones will be ending even sooner than that. So once you've actually made your first couple of bets on the platform, you've resolved 1 prediction, now you are earning points. So you can check your points totals in the portfolio tab. However, they come through every week. So on Monday, the points will be coming through from the previous week. So the more volume that you do, obviously, the more points that you will get. Right now, I just have 1 little test bet open in my portfolio, but I'm going to be doing a bunch more later today. Now, in this portfolio tab, you can also check your rank for the airdrop campaign, all of the different positions that you have open, and even all your transaction history. Now, so once you've done all that, you're set up and ready to go to start actually farming this. Now, in terms of some strategies, for starters, I would recommend going immediately to the profit challenge here and try to join my team, the Cove. Basically, the team that does the best is going to earn a share of these cash prizes as well as points for the airdrop. However, there's limited spots to join this challenge. There's only a couple hundred left. So hopefully if you're watching this shortly after I posted it, there's still some space left for you to join the challenge and get these boosts. Now, moving on from that, the next step is to actually make some predictions and farm this airdrop. The challenge starts next week. So anything that you do between now and then is not going to count for the challenge, but will still earn points for the airdrop campaign. And all of the markets that you can bet on can be found right here. You can sort them by a couple of different options. So for example, trending options, highest value, newest, And what you're going to want to do is just try and move volume on this platform. Now, if you want to be risk averse, what you can do is look at markets that are very, very likely to resolve one way or another. So for example, this one right here is the SPY ticker symbol, which is the S&P 500 index, going to be above 655.05 by today at 8 p.m. UTC. So right now it's saying that there is only a 3% chance that this market will resolve to yes. So if you bet on no, basically it's saying you have a 97% chance of winning that bet. Now you won't actually win much in terms of the dollar value. So if you bet $100, you're going to win $3 on this bet. However, it's a way to move volume for the campaign here without necessarily risking your capital so much. Now, the flip side of this, of course, is that you're not going to be earning much on the actual outcomes of this market resolving, and the points that you'll earn for the airdrop campaign won't be as much as well. So you'll minimize your risk of losing your actual upfront capital, but the riskier that you are when it comes to making predictions, obviously the outcomes will be different. So if you bet on a market that's closer to 50-50, there's obviously a different risk reward profile there, and you have to decide what you are comfortable with. Oh, and by the way, everything that I've been showing you here on Limitless has been in the advanced mode, which I much prefer. But if you want to check out the simple or the basic mode, basically you can do it like this. And then you can just toggle by the different cryptocurrencies and see all the prediction markets for those cryptocurrencies. Personally though, I like the look and the feel of the advanced mode. It feels more similar to the other prediction markets that I'm used to. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I can't really give you financial advice and tell you what to bet on. Obviously, each person has to come up with their own strategy when it comes to this. Most of the stuff on here is financial. You can bet on whether or not there's going to be rate cuts or GDP growth, or you can just bet straight up on whether or not the price of different cryptocurrencies are going to reach certain levels at certain points, dates, and times. But yeah, this is a solid new farm for sure. They got the point system on, which as opposed to something like Polymarket, which has been around for a really long time, and I've speculated they might drop a token. They still haven't. They don't have any point system at all. And so Limitless is definitely saying, there are going to be rewards for being an early adopter to this application. And then if you can grab a spot for the trading challenge that's going live next week, that's just yet another opportunity to boost your potential rewards from this app. So hopefully you found this little guide helpful. I'm going to be back on the channel with a lot more videos soon. I know I haven't posted much in a while. Just some personal stuff going on, but I'm back now and I'm going to be posting more updates later this week. A lot of new projects, a lot of new opportunities, and we're exploring the frontiers of these different apps and finding different ways to make money. Thanks for watching and have a great day.